Good morning, children. Let us start our day with today's thought. So, actions speak louder than word. It means what you do is more important than what you say. If you say one thing and do something else, there is no meaning in what you have said. So, actions speak louder than words. So, whatever you say, you should follow that, you should do that, unless otherwise people will not trust you. Okay, children? Now, today we will start a new topic, that is 4.7, let's speak. So, children, here we will see topic 4.7, let's speak. Look, listen and answer. Now, children, can you see this is a picture of a garden. Okay. Now, few things are given over here and their names are also given. So, you have to see that and you have to speak about that. So, can you see this monkey? What he is doing? The monkey is sitting on a tree. What he is doing? He is sitting on the tree. Now, can you see this? What is this? This is a slide. And what this boy is doing? He is playing on the slide. There are children, they are playing on different things. This is slide. These two children, they are playing on seesaw. Can you this boy? What he is doing? The boy is doing exercise on jungle gym. What is this? Jungle gym. So, he is doing some exercise on the jungle gym. Can you see these two girls, what they are doing? Yes, correct. They are swinging on the swings. What is this? These are called swings, and they are swinging on the swings. Now, can you see these boys? These two boys, they are playing with a balloon. Now, can you see these two men? What they are doing? They are jogging in the garden. They are walking quickly in the garden. Now, can you see this girl? What she is doing? She is riding a bicycle. Now, who is he? He is called as ice cream vendor. The person who is selling the ice cream is called as ice cream vendor. So, what he is doing? He is selling the ice cream to this little boy. Now, can you see these two ladies? What they are doing? They are sitting on a bench and they are talking. So, this is a picture about whom we have spoke. Now, few questions are given which you have to answer. Okay. Now, the first question is, do you go to the park? Now, children, when there are some questions which are to be answered in yes or no. Some will say yes, I go to park, some will say no. So, now we will see both the answers, yes answer and no answers. So, do you go to park? So, someone will say yes, I go to park every day. Okay. Now, someone will reply no. No, I don't go to park. I play in the garden of my building. So, in this way, there are two answers to this question, yes and no. There may be some another answer to this question. So, but I have written these two answers. Now, the next question is, what do you play with? So, when you go to garden, what do you play with? So, there are different answers, but I have written, I play on slides, swings in the park. You generally when you go to park, you play on the slides and swings. But few will answer, I play hide and seek, football with my friends. So, these are the answers, expected answers. You may have the another also answers also. Now, question number 3. Do you buy an ice cream? So, when you go to park, do you buy an ice cream? Buy means purchase, kharidna. So, do you buy? So, someone will say yes. So, yes, in summer mummy gives me money to buy ice cream. In summer it's okay. But few may answer, what they answer? That no, I don't eat ice cream because I get a cold. So, these are the expected answers. Now, see the next question. Can you ride a bicycle? So, few of you will answer, yes, I ride very well. But there are some person who will say no. Why? No, I don't have a bicycle, but my daddy is going to buy one for me. Okay. So, in this way you have to answer. If you are saying yes, so you have to give the answer. If you are saying no, so you have to tell the reason why you don't like that. Okay. Now, the next question is, do you like to walk on the lawn? So, whenever you go to park, there is a lawn. So, do you like to walk on that lawn? So, if you are answering yes, I remove my shoes and run on the lawn in the garden of my building. So, it is necessary whenever you are walking on the lawn, you should remove your shoes because it damages the grass. So, what happened? I remove my shoes and run on the lawn in the garden of my house. And few are answering, no, I like to play games like cricket and football. So, they don't like to walk on the lawn, but they like to play cricket and football. Now, the next question is question number 6. Do you like to play on the seesaw? So, there was a picture of seesaw you have seen. So, do you like to play? So, some will answer, yes, I play whenever my friend is with me, because to play on seesaw you need 2 persons. No? So, yes, I play whenever my friend is with me. And the next is, someone is saying, no, I don't like to go up and down on the seesaw. Yes, it may happen that they don't, some people they don't like, or some children they don't like to go up and down on the seesaw. So, children, these are the questions and these are the expected answer. You may give your own answer also. Okay. So, now it is your homework time. What is your homework? You have to repeat question number 1 to question number 6. All the 6 questions you have to write in English copy number 1. Okay, children. So, complete your work on the same day so that the work will not pile down. Okay. So, we will meet in the next period. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.